Here I throw salute. I don't wake up for football and Pidgin after match. Talk about how you see him. I beg if you know so you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea 0 and Southampton 1. And we get Oga House we be go and get Chelsea fan make tell us about how we see this game. Oga House you know say since we be the talk say Chelsea they play draw soup. But now Chelsea don't even go lose. How you see the team performance today? Lose for Champions League, lose for Premier League, 2 back-to-back lose for all competition. How you see the team performance? For me, the good as we lose. Because when we draw, we say we get hope. We say me our next game we go win all the time. But at the time ever say this coach don't know what they do. Because although our players lately, you see how they miss ball. They're not be coach for Allah. When you go score, you go miss out. But when that as a coach, you don't understand say your strategy. Maybe other teams just know. When they play game, you don't be switch strategy to another team. Maybe another format of game go work. You still use the same 4-2-3-1 or the start game, the end game. So in most cases, I know they work like that. You understand? So that's how the coach part. Then today game, you start to Fofana, and for the first time, we see the boy really get bites. Although they lack sportsman experience too, but we don't say they get bites. Now we can still go carelessly through free kick. You come out, second half start, you come out to up 9. Carry Martin Mount, whenever they inform in any way, say they play to up 9. So sometimes, when after they miss their own, they misbehave. Our coach do not that capacity to coach a team like Chelsea. And so just clear. The ideas, the capacity to say, yes, it's not a big class, man manage them. I think the guy, they get big team phobia. Nothing handle Chelsea work. So I don't really confuse now and say, the only way out there, is to allow Potter go. That's the only way out now. Before they say, go try go. But I watch this game, man, when it starts, get to the end. You make sure you say you come out. Everyone knows that I can fill the other person's space. Nothing you say, make a man switch to 3-4-3, 4-3-3, 4-4-2. But we know whether by switching those combinations, you confuse your opponent. You don't even do one like that. So everybody just knows say it's not this guy day here, and it's not good day here. Now they worry Chelsea so strategically the coach don't fail, tactically don't fail. Then the players on their own, I don't know how composure when they lack. Because these games, kind ball they say a good player, if they compose, you score them. Dortmund, you don't say Felix they miss. This one see the same thing. They need to compose, know where your post is. Not just to say you run couple head, defend a blocker, and you can say defend a save ball. If you be good player, not say you don't go miss ball, not say you don't go save your ball. But at least that composure to say, maybe my ball go here, maybe I feel my ball go here. Now quality where players they get. And so far so good, Chelsea players they lack those quality. That's my own observation. You talk about say the players they lack quality. What about the new signings when Chelsea signed? Because Chelsea are one of the clubs when they're very active during this past January transfer window. As a Chelsea fan, how you see the new signing? They signed Modric, they signed Enzo Fernandez, they signed Fofana, they signed Badiashile. How you see all these new signings where the club make? To be honest with you, Modric don't deliver. They play well. The best whenever to get rich before they come. Fernandez, they play. Even with that match where they play. If Fofana now will first sign come December, and now he starts the first match. So by the time even treat new players like this, even them will lose their own form. Because now, just like say, my people talk say, if one man reach for the full village, the village is a poor village. Everything happens so. The team is poor already. Your existing players are poor. New players come, use them well, exercise their potential well. But when they use them, they make that confidence. Now them to the fall victim of that confidence too. So no confidence on the team at the moment. And they have the new player. If you carry one Eddie man, everybody is sick. Before you know, you don't see fall as sick. What you have to share is so. Because everything boils down to the coach. Okay, now you put the Fofana, the boy display. I bet you. You can't put the boy pick him. How fast don't pick that kind of that supply? When they run the dribble, we see him. Assuming Modric or Sterling can play wing with that boy, don't be massive with that supporting striker. Maybe they have a do well more than this. Because now they want that boy now put Sterling. You can't get bites from Sterling. Passes they come in the middle. But first half, we don't see those passes. Now Koulibaly they even throw long ball and now wing they go. Better go carry the ball from wing. But now you come play as if you pass ball now. You can't come out the ball. You put Maximan to attack. So I'm the tactical error where this coach they display so far. That's why I say at the moment, this coach don't resemble this caliber of player. I'm saying a bad coach, because I know say to coach England and stay England for years. You're a good coach. This guy now regular 8-9. Brighton they sign player 20 million pounds. Now 5 million, 4 million. And you do them back to back for Brighton. But now they don't come big team. I feel say the big team phobia now first they worry him. And we Chelsea fans, not be that kind of patient fans, so because say, okay, make JT. At least I would not tire. Because our normal tradition of sacking coach and winning trophy now, it's not possible again like this. So you get the point. So my own advice, who will feel better there, but left for me, for me, they just let the guy go. Don't be quarrel. Just talk to our sponsor and say, you don't try, I can't go. Yes.
Take your money.
Take your money, go. That's my own. All right, now, guys, say thank you for
Because the people now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.